Hi guys, I miss you. I just wanted to give you a quick little lesson on main idea. So make sure you have your writing folder out. It's the one in your desk. Title our notes, main idea. I'll give you a minute to write that down. You should already have your notebooks out, but if you don't, get them out. The sub can pause the video at any time, or you, if you're at home rewatching this, you can pause the video anytime to help you get everything down. All right, so we're talking about main idea in our story, Nature Did It First. Now let's talk about, you should have already read some of the pages with your teacher that's there with you today. If you didn't, please stop this video and read the pages you're supposed to read today, because otherwise I'm going to give you some answers, and remember, you're learning. I don't want to give you all the answers. So I'm going to talk about the paragraph on Nature Did It First, page 260. So you can look at your book along with me as I'm looking at it. So let's talk about main idea. That can be one of the hardest things for us to understand, but what I want you to learn from it is that main idea is the key points here. Let me get my fingers out of the way. All right, main idea, these are the key things the author wants you to learn. So what does the author want us to know? Please get that written down. And with this, you're learning, what does the author want us to know? Sorry about that W, guys. What does the author want us to know? And with that, you're going to come up with one sentence. Your main idea is always one complete sentence, not one word. If you come up with one word, that equals the topic. There's a big difference there. So make sure you know that. One sentence, one nice complete, you know how Miss Tam likes it, one nice complete third grade sentence equals the main idea. One word equals the topic, not the main idea. And with this, you need 3 details to prove your answer. 3 details. All right, you always want 3 text evidence proven details to support your main idea. So the easiest way I can show you this, guys, is to think of main idea as a math problem. How you're going to do it is you have one detail plus another detail plus a third detail, because we always need 3. Remember, 3 is our magic number, equals your main idea. Let me get that written down for you. Your main idea. So we pause for a minute so you can get this down. There we go, now it's focused better. Your detail plus a detail plus a detail equals the main idea. So you want to make sure that all these details are kind of summed up into this main idea. Now, for instance, if I wanted to talk about the sky is always blue as my main idea, I would need something to say like clouds are white plus the sky is clear and a bluish color, plus I can see the color, something like that. You know what I mean. Sorry, that wasn't the best example, but we're going to find better examples on our text here, because now I'm going to have text evidence to support it. So let's go back to the paragraph I talked about. Now, your sub or yourself can pause this video anytime if I'm going too fast for you guys. So just make sure. We're talking about our Nature Did It First. Now, you should have already read it. If you didn't, I'll give you a minute to read it. So let's talk about some details here. Pause the video for a minute so you can work on coming up with 3 main details from that nature did it first paragraph. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it is right there. This paragraph, this is what we're talking about, this section, nature did it first. It's on page 260, as I said before. So pause the video for a minute to come up with your 3 details. And yes, you know Miss Tam likes page numbers. Add them, please. Color this down, add them. Alright, so one detail we can talk about is, let's see, we want to get the key details, the most important ones. We don't want things that are too vague, okay? That wouldn't really matter. We want to add it all up. So let's see. We can choose. Well, you can add this with a sub, for example. So fill this in with a sub for now. I'll give you 1, and you can fill in the rest. So let's put Orville and Wilbur watched birds. That would be a good detail to prove our main idea. Orville and Wilbur watched birds. Now I want, and that's on, of course, on page 260. Now I want you and the teacher that's with you to come up with 2 other examples, 2 other details that would create our main idea. And our main idea is, if you have not figured it out yet, you need to pause this right now, because I'm not going to just throw out answers for you. You know that. I make you work for them. So our main idea would have to be something similar to the lines of scientists get ideas. Whoops. Ideas. I'll zoom out here. From nature to create new inventions. Sorry, I caught off a little bit there. This should be similar to your idea. Sorry, you got cut off, guys, so I guess it's going to be in 2 parts. Please play part 1 first. So you should have a main idea that is pretty similar to this one. Now, I want you to practice again. Your sub is going to pick a new paragraph that you read. You're going to make your chart 1 more time. The detail plus the detail plus the detail equals the main idea. Do that 1 more time, and you may practice with a partner this time. I'll see you guys on Friday. I hope this helps. You can watch it as many times as you need. It works for any paragraphs, and it even works for the whole story, I promise. And you can always use this to help you figure out the main idea. Bye.